It's Miss Edwards.
And Mr. Brinkman.
We are coming at you from the quad here at MP3 Middle.
Today, we're going to talk to you about leadership. In unprecedented times and things that are going on in the world today, we have to be strong and remember that we can all be leaders for ourselves, our friends, and our family.
You can be leaders on campus or in your classes. For example, action team leaders, club leaders, leaders in your classroom.
Right. Leaders in your breakout rooms, anything online, helping other students. So a question for you today is, how can you continue to be a leader, or if you haven't started yet, how could you be a leader in quarter 3 and quarter 4?
Remember, leaders, it doesn't have to be something big. You don't have to be the president, vice president, or a specific role. It's all about how you act and conduct yourself, and we all need to be leaders together during this pandemic.
You could lead verbally by saying, hey, here, let me help you out. Or you could lead by example and doing things the right way.
I like that one. Leading by example is one of my favorites. All right, pirates, have a great day.